Many people assume that a factory reset is all it takes to wipe an iPhone clean before selling. But that is a dangerous misconception that leaves your personal data vulnerable and your buyer with a paperweight. Hey, it's Elliot from McCrunch. Today, we are clearing up the confusion surrounding activation lock. You will learn exactly how to verify a device's status before you hand over your cash and the specific steps every seller must take to ensure their device is truly ready for a new owner, protecting both your privacy and your investment. I start by showing the frustration of a locked device. Then I walk through the exact settings to disable locks. Finally, I provide a quick checklist to verify a clean phone. I want to make sure your next transaction is safe and simple. Quick legal note before we continue. This information serves as general guidance for device security and does not constitute formal legal advice. You assume full responsibility for your transactions. Always verify device status independently to prevent potential loss of funds.
This segment is a paid partnership with Unlocksy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone lock to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unlocksy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the Join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unlocksy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credit safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that Join button now to get your voucher code.
I remember the exact moment my heart sank when I bought a pre-owned phone, only to be met with that cold, unforgiving activation lock screen. I begin by navigating to the Settings app, where I tap my name at the very top of the menu to reach my Apple ID profile. From here, I select Find My and toggle the Find My iPhone switch to the off position. My device prompts me to enter my Apple ID password to confirm this action, which is the only way to disable the activation lock. Once I complete this, I return to the main settings menu to select General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Erase All Content and Settings. This process wipes my personal photos, messages, and accounts entirely. I am now ready to provide a rapid-fire recap of the key indicators of a clean device. I keep a simple mental checklist to confirm a phone is truly clean. First, I check the initial setup screen. If the device displays a greeting in multiple languages, it has been properly wiped. A phone stuck on a passcode entry screen or a wallpapered home screen is not ready for a new user. Second, I look for the absence of any cloud sign-in prompts during the initial configuration. If the setup process asks for a previous owner's credentials, the device remains locked. Finally, I confirm the serial number status on the official support portal. By entering the identifier, I verify the device is not flagged as lost. These quick checks save me from buying someone else's digital headache. I have shown how to identify an iPhone activation lock and the precise steps to wipe your device before a sale. By toggling off Find My in your profile and confirming the multi-language greeting during setup, you protect your data and ensure a smooth experience for the next owner. Checking the serial number on the support portal remains the best way to avoid buying a restricted handset. I appreciate you watching this guide to keep your transactions secure.
If this guide was helpful, we invite you to like and subscribe and enable notifications to be informed on future updates and guides.